Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am so excited to be unboxing my second DecoCrated with y'all. And I feel like the timing's so perfect because if you've been watching me on Instagram, I have been in the midst of a DIY remodel on my own home alongside my husband, and it has been super wild. But we have, let me think, 1, 2, 3, almost 4 rooms completely done that are ready for decorations. So I told Jonathan, hurry, I want to unbox my DecoCrated so I can see what's inside. Their box is super, super cute and it's so chic. And as you can see, it's huge. So it's super exciting to open. What's on top? Let's see what's in here. Inside is the theme for summer 2019. And I love these because they're double-sided and I framed my last one. And depending on who was coming over, I would flip it. And if you've been watching Instagram, you know that this is my theme for this summer. I didn't know this was gonna be in here. That's exciting. And then inside is about the products, what's in the box, etc. I want this to be a surprise, so I'm gonna set this aside for right now. Okay. On top we have, let's see. Oh, it looks like a bag? I don't know. Oh, more flamingos. Y'all, I did no clue that they have. I've been steering clear of their social media recently because I didn't want to accidentally get a sneak peek. But I'm doing flamingos throughout the house right now. What is this? Oh, it's an apron. Oh my goodness gracious. This is so cute. I am in love with this apron. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. It said, oh, tic-tac-toe. And how cute. I can throw this in the pool bag and take this to the pool because inside are the tic-tac-toe pieces. I mean, that is brilliant. The kids are gonna love that. And what's this guy? Oh, are they placemats? Or napkins? They look like they're pink napkins, and this is my color of pink. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're super soft, y'all. Oh my gosh. How cute. All right, let's see what's next. Can y'all see inside? Tons of big boxes, which is always so exciting. Let's see. Rise and grind is what this side says. This side says, recipe for fun, a dash of good vibes, a glass of bubbly, a handful of besties, one epic playlist, and blend well with endless nights. Another double-sided sign that you can rotate as people come over. That is so cute. And I'm actually creating a little coffee bar area in the house and I'm thinking that will be cute inside there. All right, let's see what's inside this guy. All right, we've got another sign. Well, we're gonna be set for signs, that's for dadgum sure. Every summer has a story. Oh, that's cute. Every summer does have a story. And we were just talking about how this summer with the 5 and 7-year-old who are out of school and ready to party has been our funnest summer yet. Cute, cute. Look how cute everything looks together. Right now I can still see 3 more boxes, just so you'll know. Let's do this one. Let's see what's inside. It's a lantern? Am I correct on that? Love this color. I keep saying love this color. Look at the shirt I'm wearing. It's just kind of my color, and this is kind of way beyond cute. Oh my gosh. This is so stinking cute. I'm a huge fan of the summer box colors. Huge fan. Woo! I'm knocking everything over. Look, I'm not. Look at this one. Whew. How cute is this? So your silverware napkin holder. So let me do this. I hold this stuff up and kind of scoot this guy over here. So I can put him right here. This is so cute. Give me one of these. Okay, last one. Let's see what's inside this guy. Okay, final item. Oh my gosh. I love this. I think this is becoming my new favorite box ever. Of course, I'm working on decorating my house, so hello. I mean, hello. Isn't that wild? That is so cute. So I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but the box is quarterly. So you don't get this every single month. But as you can see in what they provide, everything has multiple uses. So you get one box a quarter and then you change it 2 months in, whole new look. 2 months in, you get your next box. It's just pure brilliant. Inside the magazine here talks about the featured artist and then your key pieces and how to style them, what to do with them, how to purpose them, the colors and themes and what you can do. And then it really talks about the people who curated these items, what they do. Look at that. They have a guy in the apron. I mean, that is so cute. And how to entertain and just, I mean, how to decorate. And their photography is so good and the presentation's so good. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. They also do have a refer a friend. So as you refer friends to sign up, you get rewards and bonuses. And they have given me a coupon code to give to you guys. So when you sign up, you instantly are saving on your first box. You subscribe by the year, prepay for your 4 boxes. It's significantly cheaper, making this a wildly good deal. I'm gonna run over and take some photos of these things so you can see what I got up close and personal. DecoCrated, amazing. Once again, this is so good. You guys keep watching videos. We're having so much fun opening these, and they obviously only keep getting better with each box that I open. Y'all have an amazingly blessed day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your